we're just talking openly about cybersecurity topics, and I'll start it off. Like, I want to. We were just talking offline about this, but yeah, man, you inspired me to go full into AWS and cloud. You and a couple other folks that I talked to, my man Rob, he does cloud security architecture, and just like watching you guys and looking at your career and everything, I'm like, okay, I think it's time to make a move. Man, I want to thank you personally. Thank you so much for all the stuff that you do on your channel. That's really been inspirational. Like the way that you marry the AWS stuff with GRC is something I love to see, because that's basically what I do. And this new career path, man, what can I say about it? It's interesting. It's definitely what I want to do. It's definitely in line with more of what direction I want to go with cloud and stuff. So I'm really excited about this. And it's what I'm doing is it's a cloud native environment, and I'm doing vulnerability management. So and also a little bit of incident response. So we're watching incidents come through using guard duty that comes in through like a seam, and then we're watching those things, and then we're also watching all the vulnerabilities that might pop up on EC2 instances or whatever else is in our environment. So that's pretty much my focus right there. But this is a great launching pad for me to go deeper into the waters of cloud. So I'm super excited about it. And I think the next thing I'm going to do is in the next year, I'm going to get that AWS security specialist, because I think it's a little bit like down the road for me. You don't think so? You said take what, 3 weeks?
3 months. Get 3 months, man. I see the website. We may bring it up. If you like me, man, we got a similar background.
Okay.
When you look at it, it's the same stuff you've been doing on prem. They just do it a little differently.
Wouldn't I have to take the AWS SAA first? Don't I want to have that? Because I don't have that.
I thought you had an SSA. I
Mm-mm.
thought you. I would do the AA that first before you
Okay,
got
okay,
it. I
okay.
thought you took my bad. I thought you had that. I would take that one. And the site I'm going to send you, it has study material for all of those.